Hey guys, what's going on? Jack here and welcome back to another video and happy POV day. So yeah, if you haven't guessed already, today is a POV video and it is in my Bmw Z4. Now what I am going to do in a moment is I am actually going to put the roof down. So for this POV video I thought it might be best if maybe I don't ramble on so much and we just drive. So I'm probably going to put some chill, copyright free obviously, music on in the background and get on with a nice drive on this really nice day. So let's get this roof down first, which now works electrically unlike when I first bought it, but we won't get into that.
Side to side to tell my trouble come alive. Can't wait, the sun is shining, lift the sails and follow my own tide, yeah. There's a screaming in there, not telling me to leave for a while. So for the first time I trust him, right on now. Escape and restart all. I wanna escape and restart all. I wanna escape too. I know my aim, I'll dive inside.
So while we are stuck behind someone probably off to go and get their fish and chips today, going really slow on this road, I might as well fill you guys in a little bit about the car if you don't know already. So it is a BMW Z4, a 2006 BMW Z4. It's a sport model. It's got the 2-litre engine in it, so it is the 4-cylinder, not the 6-cylinder. Now I know a lot of people do like these 6-cylinder BMWs, myself included, but yeah, this is just the 4-cylinder one. But still, it does go, it's got a bit of poke to it, and more importantly, it's just great fun. This is a second car to me. I've got my daily as well, which you guys know is my mini John Cooper Works. This is just my fun car really for when I'm not working and it's a nice summer's day and I get that roof down and go for a little drive. So for me, honestly, it's good enough, and the price I paid for this car, I got it at absolute steal. Also had a custom exhaust done on the car, stainless steel throughout. It is honestly a really, really nice sound to it. Something I probably want to do in the future is do like, so the Z4M, which I do like a Z4M, so I either buy a Z4M, probably not, or I do the quad kit conversion to this car, which will be like the Z4M style exhaust. Obviously not sounding as good as that, but for looks wise anyway, it would look pretty nice.
Mistakes to only keep it the truth, yeah. There's a treasure out there, just everyone should just have to choose, yeah. Here it is, a wisdom I must say, is that of my freedom of mind was born away. Escape and restart all.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Just been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
Going the way I want to go, please. Oh, why is it whenever you're driving the way that you need to go, there's always something stopping you going at the speed of the road? This road's a 60, but I'm stuck behind a tractor and barely even touching 20. I just want to enjoy my car. Five minutes later, we are still stuck behind the tractor pulling its shed. Just thought I'd update you guys on that one. Minis! Another mini. Love minis. won't show you guys any footage on how I got past that tractor, but I'll just say 2 words: speed, power. That's all you need. And the tractor is back there somewhere.